Hey everyone, welcome. I'm really excited to have you all here today. Before we dive in, I want to start by saying that this session is for everyone. Whether you have coding experience or you're just curious about how it fits into different careers. Today, we're going to look beyond just writing code and explore the broader impact of coding skills, even in non-tech roles. We'll talk about why coding matters, how it applies across different industries, and even what skills outside of coding can help you thrive in a tech-driven world. So, no matter your background, I encourage you to keep an open mind and think about how these ideas might connect to your own career or interests. And of course, feel free to ask questions along the way in the comment sections below.
This training is part of the EU-funded Code4Future project. The project is coordinated by Gent GmbH in collaboration with L4Y Learning for Youth GmbH and Seyhan Danışment Gazi Anadolu Lisesi. Stay tuned for more coding content from this initiative. You can find more resources through the link provided in the description.
A lot of people think that coding is just for software engineers or web developers, but in reality, it's a skill that's in demand across many industries. Whether you're into finance, healthcare, business, marketing, or even the arts, coding can be a game changer. In this session, we're going to explore, understand the skills outside of coding, get to know the use of coding in non-tech role, understand the use of coding in various sectors. By the end, you'll see that coding isn't just about building apps or websites. It's a tool that can boost problem solving, automate tasks, analyze data, and help you stand out in almost any career. So, let's dive in and see how you can use your coding skills in ways you might not have thought about before. When we think about coding, we usually picture writing lines of code, debugging errors, and building cool applications. But what if I told you that coding is actually shaping a whole set of skills that go far beyond just programming? Learning to code is not just about mastering a language. It's about developing a mindset that helps you solve problems, think critically, and communicate effectively. These skills are valuable in any career, not just tech-related ones. Let's break down some of the key takeaways. Problem solving. Coding forces you to analyze challenges, find solutions, and optimize processes. This skill applies to every industry, whether you're troubleshooting an issue at work or making strategic decisions. Creativity. Writing code isn't just technical. It's also highly creative. Whether you're designing user experiences, automating tasks, or structuring data, you're constantly thinking outside the box. Patience and persistence. Let's face it, debugging can be frustrating, but coding teaches you how to push through challenges, which helps build resilience in any profession. Communication. Developers don't work in isolation. Whether you're explaining your code to a teammate or breaking down complex ideas for non-tech colleagues, strong communication skills make a big difference. Attention to detail. A single missing bracket can break an entire program. Coding sharpens your ability to spot small but crucial details, which is a major asset in fields like finance, law, healthcare, and business. Logical thinking. Coding trains you to think in structured, logical steps. This makes you better at decision-making, planning, and analyzing data, skills that are useful across many careers. So even if you don't see yourself as a programmer in the future, these skills will set you apart in any industry. Coding is more than a technical skill. It's a way of thinking that opens up countless opportunities. Now let's talk about how coding is becoming increasingly important, even in non-tech roles. One of the key areas where coding plays a significant role is data analysis. Data analysis is all about extracting meaningful insights from information. This means taking raw data, cleaning it, organizing it, and turning it into something useful. Coding helps make this process more efficient, accurate, and scalable. There are several key ways coding supports data analysis. First, we have data manipulation. Tools like Python and R allow us to clean, sort, and transform raw data into something we can actually analyze. And then automation. Instead of manually processing data, Coding helps us automate repetitive tasks, saving time and reducing errors. Next, we have visualization. With coding, we can create interactive charts and dashboards that make complex data easy to understand. Last but not least, scalability. As datasets grow larger, coding helps manage and analyze them efficiently, something that manual methods struggle with. Coding and data analysis isn't just for tech professionals. It's becoming an essential skill across many industries. Whether you work in marketing, finance, healthcare, or even education, having basic coding skills can help you make better, data-driven decisions. And that wraps up the first part of this chapter. I hope you found it helpful so far. But we're not done yet. There's more to explore. In the next part, we'll continue diving deeper, so be sure to check it out. See you there.